The first letter from John, chapter 1. The one we named the word, we did debut from way back when, come down on earth to we. We did hear the word with we own ears, see it with we own eye them, and touch it with we own two hand them. At the same word we are telling about, at the same life there, show itself to we. We see it, and we are telling you where we see. We are telling about the same life where they there in heaven with the Father, and we come show itself to we. We are telling you so that we can move close with we, and we are move close with the Father, and with him boy pitney, Jesus Christ. We are right for telling you that in sitting here, cause it make we really happy for telling you. We are telling you the same message where we hear from Jesus Christ. Him tell we say, God ever do it right, cause God a light. God can't do nothing wrong, cause nothing in him we could have make him do wrong. That means say, no darkness, no in him. If we say we are moved close with God, but we are living in the dark, same way, a lie we are tell. We now live as according to the truth. But if we live in the light, same like God, we are living in a peace with one another. That way there, God wash away all our sin them with him boy pitney blood. If we talk so we never sin, we only fool ourselves and not true, not in a way. But if we say we sin and beg God pardon, we can know for sure, say God we pardon we and wash away all our sin them. If we say we have no sin, we are called God liar, and that shows say him word no in our heart at all, at all. God Wod Dis. Thank God.